Hey, are you planning a visit to a zoo anytime soon? Because if so, I've got some tips on how to take better photographs during your trip. Now, first of all, you need to try and arrive at the zoo as early as possible. The lighting will be better in the morning and the animals will likely be more active before the crowds arrive. Next, consider bringing a high quality camera and upgrading from your smartphone. You see, a better camera will give you sharper, clearer images. And some cameras also have zoom lenses. They're going to help you get really close in to the animals without disturbing them, because it's important that we don't disturb the animals. Don't be afraid to experiment as well with angles and compositions rather than just taking a stand-on shot right in front of the animal. Try shooting from different heights or getting down or getting the foliage in the way or whatever. A ground is a great and unique perspective to shoot up from as well. And when shooting through glass or a fence, try and eliminate reflections by getting as close to the barrier as you can, and even using a polarizing filter maybe. Careful not to knock on the glass though, the animals don't like that. And finally, be observant. Spend some time watching the animals before you shoot them. See how they move, see where they go, see how they behave. Wait for the right moment, to capture a great shot. The animals are in charge. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed those tips, and I hope they come in useful if you're going to go and visit a zoo anytime soon. And let's hope you get some cracking pictures and at the same time learn an awful lot more about animals and the fantastic world that they live in. Thanks for watching.